Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Corolla key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Look closely at your key fob. You'll find a small slot, usually on one of the sides. This is where we'll start the process. Gently insert the tip of your screwdriver into this slot. Apply slight pressure to create a small gap. Once the screwdriver is in the slot, gently twist it. This action will start to separate the two halves of your key fob. Continue working the screwdriver around the entire seam, applying consistent, gentle pressure. You'll hear a slight click as the clips release. The casing should then easily pop open, revealing the internal components and the battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round CR2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery, being careful not to damage the surrounding components. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Now, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place all around the edges. This ensures a tight seal and protects the internal electronics. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.